Hi there, just got my new skeleton watch in the mail today. Um, so let's just pack it up. Let's just open that up. Literally just got this in the mail, so pretty excited. You know. Good packaging inside. It's pretty good. Oh, bit stuck. Oh. Sorry, man. Just melt that. Right. The packaging of the watch pretty good, I must say. So that's how it comes. Good little packaging. Right. Oh, they wrapped it very good. Let's just open that up, have a look at that inside. Oh wow, I must say, it's a very nice watch. It's got a automatic movement. You can even see from the back. Just open up this. Yeah. So just have a look at that movement. It's quite good. I must say the watch face is quite nice as well. I mean, that's one of the reasons I chose this watch. Onto the bracelet. It's got some dirt marks. I think that's just because of the plastic on top. Yeah, that's the plastic. But yeah, no. The bracelet, the actual bracelet of the watch feels. It doesn't feel plasticky or anything. It's an okay material, I guess. The movement's quite smooth. You can just see that. It's smooth. It's got all plastic covered around it, and you know it's packaged very well. The shipping took about 2 weeks to England, so I guess that's not too bad considering it was the Christmas holidays. But no, this watch is actually quite good. Quite cheap actually. I think it was about £10. So I'd definitely recommend. It's quite nice, and yeah, yeah, it's all good. Anyways, that's my short little review on the watch, and the link will be down in the description for this watch in the link. See you later.